All right, check it out. I've got another tool I'd like to show you. Have you ever used one like this? Or ever seen one? Or maybe you have one in your tool bag right now. It's old-timey, open in offset. Iron worker, pipe fitter, hook it up. You're lining up your flanges with the holes to get the bolts in. This is a old-time 3/4 inch open in offset. This would be great for tightening up the big bolts, big 3/4 inch. It's got a 3/4 inch stamp in it, and what looks to be ABC maybe on that, on the handle. Old-timey. Do you have one of these? Have you ever used one? Did your granddad use this, or are you still using one like this? You're an iron worker, you're lining up the beams, get them all in place, and you're throwing in the big bolts or rivets. This would not be for rivets, this would be lined up for your bolts and your nuts. Leave a comment down below. I'd like to hear your story. All right, Auto out.